Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TikTok pixel events for dropshipping campaigns step by step clearly. To configure TikTok pixel events for your dropshipping campaigns, start by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. Navigate to the Assets tab in the main menu. Select Events from the drop-down menu. Click on the Manage button next to the pixel setup. If you haven't created a pixel yet, click the Create Pixel button. Name your pixel something relevant to your campaign. Choose the appropriate installation method. For this guide, select Manually Install Pixel Code. Next, head to your dropshipping website backend. Locate the Settings or Header section where you can add custom scripts. Paste the TikTok pixel code you've copied into the header section. Save your changes and ensure the code is properly embedded. Return to the TikTok Ads Manager and select your pixel. Now it's time to set up events to track user interactions. Click the Create Event button to start your first event setup. Choose an event type that suits your dropshipping needs, such as page view or add to cart. Configure the event by specifying the trigger conditions. For example, if you're setting up an add to cart event, specify when this action occurs. You may also want to add additional events like purchase or complete registration. Once you've configured your events, click Save. Finally, test each event to ensure they are firing correctly. Use the TikTok Pixel Helper tool to verify that your pixel is working as intended. Once confirmed, you can monitor the performance of your dropshipping campaigns through the TikTok Ads Manager. By following these steps, you'll have configured TikTok pixel events effectively for your dropshipping endeavors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.